Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys a very special strategy. Alright, this strategy I will be sharing with you is a very powerful one. Okay, now before we go into that, if you are new to my channel, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, okay, here's what we do here. I share powerful strategies that will help you grow your small account. Okay, I go out there, I search for a very powerful strategy, I backtest it, I use it for a while and see if it's working. Then I come here and then share with you guys so that you can also use it and make money. Okay, now that is out of the way. Alright, if you love what I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, right, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy you get notified immediately. Alright, so with that out of the way, now let me show you guys this powerful strategy. Right, so there's an indicator I'll be sharing with you, a very powerful indicator. Alright, it's an indicator that will be showing you whenever the trend, alright, the trend of the market is about to reverse. Okay, be it an uptrend or a downtrend, this indicator will tell you whenever it's about to reverse or change trend. Right, so this is how we are going to be doing it. Okay, now here, this is the 15-minute time frame. Alright, the indicator is going to tell you that the price is about to reverse. Alright, then what we do is that we'll go to the 1-minute time frame and then we get the early opportunity. Alright, so now without wasting much of our time, alright, let me quickly share with you guys the indicator. Alright, now the indicator here is, first of all, you click on this N icon right here. Alright, after clicking on the icon, you click on this one and then we'll search for the MACD. Right, yeah, MACD is one of the most powerful indicators in the forex trading world. Right, now you don't need to do much. Right, you don't need to do much. These are the settings for the MACD. Right, make sure you screenshot everything or you set it the same way I did it here. Right, so after you do this, you click on done. Right, and let's go back to our main chart. Now you can see here that the MACD has been added. Right, now the next thing is to click on the N icon again and then you click on this icon right here and then you search for the moving average. Right, the moving average is our next indicator that we are going to be adding, right, to make the setup well prepared. Now you see the way I set the moving average. Right, period is 1, the shift 0, method simple, then the apply to is first indicators data. We are going to choose this last one, the last one right here. That's the one you will choose. Right, so after you choose it, you make the pixel, make it make the pixel 3 and then the color, you can choose any color of your choice. So after doing all this, you click on done, then you see that the moving average will be added. Right, you can see how well it's playing. Right, now there is one more indicator that we need to add to the main chart. Okay, you click on the F icon again and then you click on this here. Right, that's the icon you are going to click, and then we will still add the moving average, but this one we are going to change the settings. Right, change it to 35 and then the method is simple, shift 0. Right, do it exactly the same way like this and then you click on done. Now you see it has been added to our main chart, right? Now let me show you how it works. Right? So let me show you how this works. Now I don't know why this keep happening. Okay, I'm looking for a very pretty example to use. Right now you can see here, first of all, the trend, okay, you can see it's an uptrend, right? Then it begins to reverse, right? First of all, it's the indicator here that will first show you that yes, price is now reversing. You can identify it from the MACD. Alright, let me add one more indicator to make this very good. Now you click on this icon here, and then we will add the relative strength index in order to show us the levels. Okay, to be sure of the levels, right? We'll click on the relative strength index, and then we don't need this, so we are going to make it 1, and then the pixel 1, make the color white, the color of your background, right? And then the levels, let me go back and show you the levels, which is this one right here. Okay, you click on it, and then we are going to make this 15. I like to make mine 15 always. And then this is 85, right? And then we make this 2 pixel, make the color black in order to show on your chart, right? Then you click on done, right? So now as you can see, the levels here is now showing very well. You can see 15 and 85, right? So now first of all, the trend was first going up, right? And then you want to know when it will reverse. This is on the 15-minute time frame, right? Take note of that. Now it's going up, then you can see on the indicator window, it's showing you that now price is reversing, right? Okay, this is the first one that will happen. It will show you the signal first on the indicator window, and then you are going to wait on the main chart, right? You can see that it has started closing, going below the moving average, okay, the 35 moving average. Now you are sure that price is reversing. Then this is the one that is going to give you the final confirmation. Okay, whenever you see that it's now crossing below the zero level, right? This zero level, you can see it here on your right hand side, right? You can see that it has started crossing below the zero level, and same thing is happening here on the main chart. Okay, price is crossing below your moving average, right? And same thing is happening here. Now you can confirm that yes, this uptrend is now changing to a downtrend, right? So what are you going to do after you have seen all this, right? I'm coming. Let me mark this place for you so that you are going to see it on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now this is where let me make this thing a little bit bolder so that we'll see it clearly. Done. Alright, now let me add something on the other side, indicator window. Now okay, so now let's leave it till these points and see how well it plays. I'm going to mark this place too, and then I'm going to mark this right here so that I'll know where it is. I'll know how well it plays on the 1 minute time frame. Now you can see that I've marked these regions that it crosses below the MACD zero line and the moving average, right? Now let's go to the 1 minute time frame and see how well it plays out. Alright, so let's say after analyzing from the 15-minute time frame, you came down to the 1 minute time frame. Now on the 1 minute time frame, alright, this is what you are going to be doing. First of all, you are going to allow spike to occur, right? And now when the spike occur, now you see that it has crossing to a downtrend, right? All right, so this strategy we are going to be using it to catch the ticks. You can also use it to catch spike, but I'll show you that later in the video. So now for now, let's concentrate on trading against spike, right? Catching this small tick is what we are about to do now. So now you wait for spike. You see spike has happened. Okay, sorry about this, guys. It has taken me to the so you wait for spike to occur. Now let's say if the spike occur and you look down here on the 1 minute on the indicator level here, on the indicator window, you can see that the red and the blue line has gotten to the 85 level, showing you that price has gotten to the overbought level, right? So when price is at the overbought level, what is expected to happen is that it will start reversing, right? That level is going to bounce price back, right? So it's expected that price will reverse from that level, okay? That resistance level, price is supposed to reverse from that area down. So now from your analysis from the 15-minute time frame, right, it shows you that price has gone into a downtrend, right? Price has reversed and we are now in a downtrend, right? So what expected now is to look for the early opportunity on the 1 minute time frame, right? So now on the 1 minute time frame, this is what you do. You wait for spike, and then now what we do is to wait for the indicator, the red, to cross below the blue, right? And that is exactly what is happening here. You can see the red is crossing below, so immediately you see that crossing, right, you have to go in for 5 candles. All right, 5 candles, you are out. Okay, nothing more. Now let me show you another example. Now that we know we are in a downtrend, right? So any entry you are taking, don't be scared, it will go your way, right? Now you see, this is what happened here. It got to the overbought level, which is your 85. Now after the crossing was happening, but there was a spike, an invincible spike. You can see that, right? But don't be scared, it will not blow your account, right? This is like taking you back to where you start from. Be patient, it's going to come back into profits, and then take your 5 candles, you are out, right? Let me show you another example. You can see here there was another spike, right? You wait for it to cross below the blue, you take your 5 candles, you are out. Let me show you another example again till that red line we mark. All right, so here again you can see there was a spike, touches the overbought level, you wait for it to cross, it cross, you take your 5 candles. Let me show you another example again. You can see it keeps happening, and then let me show you another one. You can see here, guys, look at how perfect this strategy is working. Your 5 candles, you are out. And then let me show you again. Let me show you. You can see here 5 candles. 5 candles here, you are out. Alright. This is what's going to be happening until, mind you, alright, whenever you are taking these entries from the 1 minute time frame, always be checking the 15-minute time frame, right? Be checking the 15-minute time frame and make sure your analysis is correct before you take your entry from the 1 minute time frame, right? Don't just based on the 1 minute time frame, right? Always be checking the 15-minute time frame so that you will not be caught up with spike, okay? So that whenever the trend is reversing, you are going to know and you will stay off the market, right? So you can see, since we are in a downtrend realm, you can see how perfectly well the strategy is working, right? You can see it cross and then you take your 5 candles. Now you can see here, this is the level I marked. All right, from this point now, the trend is about to change to an uptrend, right? Let me show you guys. You can see from this place the trend started changing. It crossed above the moving average. Now you know we are in an uptrend. So on the 1 minute time frame, anything can happen now. All right, your setup is going to meet up, but there will still be spike. All right, so that's what some of you don't know. All right, so you always make sure you analyze from the higher time frame, and then you take your entry from the 1 minute time frame. All right, so that is it about this strategy. Sorry, the video is now longer than expected, but it's good you understand everything. All right, so if you don't understand anything, make sure you drop your question on the comment section. All right, so for the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. Right, you zoom in twice, and then for the screen, you can see you shift it to this point. It's okay, right? It's okay like this. So that is pretty much everything. Like I said earlier, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll be the first to get notified, right? And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Love you all. See you out.